Hi everybody, this is Lita from Lita's English. I think everyone will agree with me that when we are learning new language, in that case, it takes time, effort and dedication. So, as a beginner, you have to be very careful, very sincere when you are learning a new language. At the same time, you have to use all the expressions, vocabulary you are learning every day for your daily communication. So it will help you gradually to reach in an advanced level. So dear learner, today we are going to talk some actions that actually expresses emotion. Often we see that parts of the body are closely linked to particular verbs. The combination of verbs and the part of the body are actually expresses emotions or attitude. Today, we actually learn these actions, this verb, which symbolically means our emotion, our attitude. So, dear learner, our today's first action is nod. Nod, that means we nod our head. When we nod our head, in that case, we actually want to express our consent, our agreement, that we are agree with something or somebody. It actually to make a quick downward motion of the body. So when we nod our head, that means we want to say that we are agree with something or somebody. Next, if you shake your head, in that case, actually you want to say no by turning your head from side by side. So this is how actually using this verb we actually focus our emotion, our attitude like this way. Next, if someone or somebody scratch their head, in that case it symbolically means that they are puzzled, they are confused and they don't know what to do. Actually, they are thinking very deeply, very carefully about a very important, serious questions or problem. So when someone scratch head, actually is puzzled. Well, next, hang head. What actually hang head means? It means ashamed. So when someone hang his head, in that case, it means he is ashamed, he is contraction. So this is how actually these actions help us to express our emotion and attitude. On the other hand, if we wrinkle our nose, what actually this means? Well, this verb actually means that we are disliking something or we are disgusted something, something uncertain. So wrinkle nose work, this is how. Well, next one is wrinkle your bruise. Wrinkle one's bruise. What actually it means? It means is puzzled. Someone is very puzzled and don't know, he or she doesn't know what to do. So in that case, wrinkle their bruise. Next one is very interesting. That is click. Click. What we click? Click our tongue. In that case, you want to express that you are annoyed about something or somebody. So when we use this verb, that means that we are actually annoyed. Well, if we just clench our fist or our teeth, our jaw very tightly, if we tightly hold this, in that case, I am angry, you are angry, someone is very angry. So this is how actually this action works to symbolize our emotion, your attitude. At the same time, we can use another word to say bite our lips. In that case, what it means? It means we are nervous. It indicates that our fear or anxiety. So this verb actually means another expressions of your feeling or anything. So when you are very confused, very nervous, in that case, we actually bite our lips. But if we like our lips, in that case, we are anticipating something good. So this is how every day we are using these actions to say our expressions, our attitude. On the other hand, if we raise our eyebrows, that means I'm surprised. So this this is another example of the way when we are expressing our emotion, our attitude. So dear learner, please try to use all these verbs to express your emotion, your attitude. Thank you everyone.